Hello student, myself V.S. Yadav. I am going to teach science class 10th chapter 11 of physics portion, the human eye and the colorful world. In previous chapter, light, reflection and refraction, you have studied about the refraction of light by a lens. So student, I want to give one suggestion for you कि for better understand this chapter you have to revise once more about the concave lens, convex lens and their properties. In this chapter we will discuss about the eye, their part, function, rainbow formation, sprinting of white light and blue color of sky. So student, you see in your NCERT book, the first point of your book is the human eye. So all of you are familiar with the human eye. All of the human beings have two eyes. So the human eye is the one of the most valuable and sensitive sense organs. It enables us to see wonderful world and the color around us. It is like a camera. Its lens system form an image on the retina. Means eye is the most sensitive, valuable and sensitive part of the human body. The some parts of the human's eye are crystalline lens, aqueous humors, pupil, iris, cornea, vitreous humors, optic nerves, retina, and ciliary muscles. All these eye parts have a special function in the eye. I will describe the function of the eye part and provide a note also. You have to write that in your copy and learn that. Okay. So one part is cornea. This is the cornea. The front part of the eye is called cornea. It is made of transparent substance. The outer surface of the cornea is convex in shape. The light coming from object enters the eye through cornea. That is the function of cornea, कि the light coming from the object enter the eye through the cornea. Second part is iris. So iris is a flat, colored, ring-shaped membranes behind the cornea. The function of iris is control the size of the pupil. Okay. Size of the pupils means as you have seen कि I want to tell one special function of the eye. आप लोगों ने ये ऑब्जर्व किया होगा कि जब हम बाहर धूप में रहते हैं और धूप से जब कमरे में आते हैं तो फॉर सम टाइम्स हम ऑब्जेक्ट को देखने में असमर्थ रहते हैं. क्यों? क्योंकि बाहर ज़्यादा लाइट रहती है तो हमारा आई बॉल कंटेक्ट हो गया रहता है और जब वो डिम लाइट में आता है तो अपने आप को फैलता है. तो जैसे जैसे ये फैलता है हमें चीज़ें दिखनी शुरू होती है. तो दिस इज द स्पेशल फंक्शन ऑफ द आई कि यह जब ज़्यादा लाइट मिलती है तो यह कंटेक्ट होता है, सिकुड़ता है और जब लाइट कम मिलती है तो यह अपने आप फैलता है. दैट इज द स्पेशल फंक्शन ऑफ आई. तो इसको जो फैलना और सिकुड़ने का काम है इसको जो कंट्रोल करता है दैट इज द फंक्शन ऑफ iris. Okay. Next part is pupil. So there is a hole in the middle of the iris is called the pupil of the eye. You have seen कि जो आइरिस होता है उसके बीच में एक होल होता है. वही होल क्या है? pupils है. The pupil appear black because no reflection of from it. It regulates and control the amount of light entering in the eye. जो भी लाइट हमारी आंखों में आती है यह पिपल्स उसको कंट्रोल करता है कि कितनी लाइट अंदर जाएगी कितनी नहीं जाएगी. ओके. नेक्स्ट वन इज ciliary muscles. Ciliary muscles help us to change the thickness of the eye lens while focusing. Eye lens. The eye lens is a convex made of the transparent, soft, and flexible material like a jelly made up of protein. Being flexible, the eye lens can change its shape to focus light on the retina. Okay, one is aqueous rumors. The space between the cornea and the eye lens fill up with a watery liquid that is aqueous humors. And vitreous humors, the space between eye lens and retina fill up with jelly-like material that is vitreous humors. Okay, retina. So retina is the screen. This is behind the eye. This is a screen where image is formed. It is a delicate membrane having a number of light sensitive cells, that is rod and cones. Further, I will describe the function of rod and cones which are present in the retina. Okay, optic nerves. The light sensitive cell get activated upon illuminous and generated electrical signal. The signal sent the brain via the optic nerves. यानी the main function of the optic nerves कि it send the message to the brain. Okay. Now the function of rod and cone. The rod and cones are present in the retina. The function of rod cells are present in the retina of an eye, which are responsible to the dim light. We can see things at some distance in the dark room due to the presence of this cell. यदि हम अंधेरे में किसी चीज़ों को देख पाते हैं तो उस चीज़ को देखने के लिए काम करता है रॉड सेल. जैसे कि यू हैव नो कि owl can see at dark, means at night, because the owl retina has a large of number of rod cells. Okay, and cone cell, the cone shape cells present in the retina of an eye which are sensitive to bright light. Cone cell causes the sensation of color of object in our eye. The cone does not function in dim light. मिस हम यदि ऑब्जेक्ट को कम लाइट में देख पाते हैं तो उसका रीजन है रॉड सेल्स. और हम यदि किसी कलर में डिफरेंशिएट कर पाते हैं कि ये कलर है ये कलर है तो कलर के लिए रिस्पॉन्सिबल होता है कौन सेल. ओके, समझ में आ रहा है ना? ओके, so I have told you the function of eye and their eye parts. Next point is power of accommodation. तो as I have told you कि हमारी आई की एक विशेषता होती है कि जो आई लेंस से वह बड़ा होता है और छोटा होता है. मीन्स इसका फोकल लेंथ जब बड़ा होगा या छोटा होगा तो फोकल लेंथ विल बी आल्सो चेंज. अब व्हाट इज फोकल लेंथ you have studied in previous chapter in lens, concave lens and convex lens. If that point is not clear, then you have to study it well once more. Okay, so it adjusts its focal length, increase or decrease. That adjusting ability is accommodation. Means the ability of the eye lens to adjust its focal length is called accommodation. Clear? Okay, thank you.